I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a 0 Robux Roblox outfit. To begin, head over to the Avatar shop, which is your go-to place for all things fashion in Roblox. Once there, you'll want to use the price filter. Set this filter to free to instantly display all the amazing items that cost absolutely 0 Robux. You'll be surprised by the wide variety of free clothing, accessories, and even animations available to kickstart your unique style. Next up, let's explore the fantastic world of free avatar bundles and animations. These bundles offer complete, pre-designed looks that you can claim with just one click, giving you a full outfit instantly. Don't forget to check out the free animation packs too. They allow you to customize how your avatar moves, adding even more personality to your character. Mixing and matching these free elements is key to creating a truly distinctive style. Now, let's talk about customizing with the default items you already have. Roblox provides a range of default body parts and colors that are always free to use. Combine these with the free shirts, pants, and accessories you found in the shop. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try different color schemes and item combinations. With a little creativity, you can transform basic elements into a truly personalized and stylish look without spending a single Robux. Finally, here are some tips to keep your 0 Robux outfit fresh and unique. Make it a habit to regularly check the avatar shop, as new free items are often added. Layer your free accessories creatively. Sometimes, combining 2 or 3 small items can make a big impact. Most importantly, don't be afraid to experiment with different styles and themes. Your imagination is your only limit when creating an awesome free outfit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.